Welcome back to CountyLine TV. On this episode, this is going to be part 3 of building my dad a drift car. On this episode, we're going to be doing some upgrades to the car and probably here in the engine run too. We have stuff like coils, angle, rear arms. We're going to weld the diff, seat, and stuff like that. We have lots of stuff to do to this car. Lots of cool upgrades, aftermarket stuff. Just your basic like seat time build. And then we also have a lot of fabrication to do, but I'm not going to be doing that today. Say hello to Justin. He's in the house.
Hi, everybody.
This is our attempted first start. We just put O-ring on the fuel line over there. And we primed the fuel system a couple times, and it seems to be okay. Well, it cranked once.
Besides the extreme, questionably powerful battery.
My jump pack really blows. I suggest if you ever buy a jump pack from Harbor Freight, get their warranty on it, because you can just take it back and get a new one. Where I didn't buy that, I just bought the jump pack and it broke in like the first month. It's good enough to like power a car on, but not start one. Okay. Well, since my jump pack kind of sucks and I don't feel like taking the battery out of this and putting a charged battery in, even though I have a charged battery sitting right over there, yeah, I don't feel like messing with it. I've done enough of these swaps. I'm pretty sure if we put a good battery in that and turn the key, it's going to start. Whatever. So we're going to move right along, and next thing on the list is we're going to go grab some new suspension parts and unbox those and slap them on the car. So I'm gonna go inside. For some reason, all those new parts are in my house and not my garage. Weird. I bet you guys can't guess what's in this box. Actually, you probably can't see the box as good as I can. So, it's a surprise for you. Instructions. Oh, ooh, stickers. Look at that, they sent us a sticker.
They sent you 5 horsepower.
What? That's sick. Check out that pimp keychain they sent. Look how cool that is.
Nice.
Came in a fancy little box too. Alright, shout out to them for that. Best part is, the colors even match. We got some coilover wrenches too. Alright. Well, now you guys know what you're working with. That's really cool that they sent that keychain. Like, I'm pretty into that. That's pretty cool. I'm not a huge advocate for, like, I don't know, Raceland. Like, they don't sponsor me or anything, obviously. I have 75 subscribers on here, so shout out to all 75 of you guys. But it is cool that they sent that. So this is obviously my dad's cheap seat time missile car, so he didn't want to go buy, like, I don't know, $3,000 Fortunatos or anything. So this is what we got, and that's what we're working with. We're gonna get them on the car, and then we also have some cheap Chinese crap to put on the back. And don't hate me for that. Sorry. So just a quick pro tip here from not a pro or pro quality equipment, but let's pan down here for you guys. You can see that pretty decently there, I think. They don't send these with the preload set. You can see that spring moves around there. So what I usually do on my coilovers, usually actually it comes set up pretty well because I usually order BCs, but this isn't the type of car that is gonna get $1,000 set of coilovers and then get crashed. So I got these instead. But I'll spin this up to the point that the spring no longer moves around. Just a little bit further than that. All right, the spring's no longer moving around. And then from there, you want to crank it up about a 1/4 inch. And that should set your preload pretty good. These coilovers also have pretty wide threads compared to some coilovers that I've seen in the past. I'm pretty sure these are the widest ones I've ever seen, honestly. So just a couple of turns get you a 1/4 inch. About 2 threads or 3 threads. So that should be about it right there. And then you just spin your locking collar. You can get it broke loose from where you used it to stop. And spin that up there and lock them together. And that's it, that's set and preload. These also don't come with the ride height locked in, so once we get these on the car, we'll have to set all 4 corners ride height. But that's enough talking for today, or for right now at least. I'm gonna set the preload on the back too, and we'll get back to you as we put them on the car. This isn't cheap Chinese crap. This is decent stuff here. I've used this kit on 2 of my own cars already, and driven another one. So this seems to be okay. It kind of gets stuck at lock. This is an angle kit, if you can't collect that. This kit kind of gets stuck at lock a little bit. Doesn't want to come off a lot. But I think if we used like some offset rack spacers instead of the rack spacers that come with it, it might fix that or relocate the rack. But I don't know. I haven't went that deep into it. It like for the cost, it's like if it binds a little bit and you gotta yank it off a lock, like oh well, like just deal with it. But there it is in the flesh, that and these rack spacers. Boom. Well, that wasn't as exciting as I wanted it to be. Whoa! How'd that get there? Huh. Alright, so when I left off yesterday, we were doing the front coilovers. Those are done. We're about to go do the back coilovers now. And then I've got lots of time today. Got my dad's help today, so we're probably going to knock out lots of stuff. We'll start with these rear coils. We'll move to, probably, since we'll be back here, we'll probably do the rear arms. Now putting the rest of these arms on the back is pretty well just a bolt-on affair. You unbolt these, you bolt in the new ones, and then you're ready to go get an alignment. So I'm not gonna film all that. We're just gonna give it one of these little... All right, we're done with doing the arms, so that's gonna be it for today's video. And next time I see you, we'll be doing the diff and the angle kit. So look forward to that. And then hopefully we're gonna do a little bit of driving in the car, not very far because it doesn't have a radiator and stuff, but I wanna get it out, wash my floors, and then pull it back in a different spot. That way it's not in the way. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.